different. If you are using your laptop, maybe the configuration is different. So whenever you are giving your input, maybe it will be considered in another way. Yes or no? So that is what architecture is very important. We cannot perform some of the actions in some type of computers because the architecture is different. So that your organization will be following that. If we want to give input through keyboard to your mobile computer, is it possible? Are you clear? So that is what I am telling you. Whenever you want to work with your computer, you should know the architecture so that you are going to organize your data properly with the computer, so that your output are more accurate what you are expecting from the computer. Got it? Coming to computer, then when you are going to observe a computer, generally tell me what is a computer? Huh? Anyone tell me clear definition? What is a computer? I think first year we have done with this. Tell me, any one of you? Uh, uh, Computer is an electronic device. So it will read input from end user, do some process, then produce some output. Always your output is depending on input or not? Yes. 100%. If you are going to perform, maybe your process, maybe your evaluation, maybe A plus B, if you think. So my input is A equal 10, B equals to 20. What is the output? If my input is, I change my input. A is 40, B is 30. Means it is depending on your input. Correct? So your machine, any machine, it is a machine. Process is nothing but a machine, right? Yes or no? Your machine always process your input data and produce output. Got it? So when your machine wants to read your input data, then machine is going to understand what type of data. Machine is going to understand your high-level data. Is that machine is going to understand high-level data? Means human understandable language? No. So what machine is going to understand? Why binary language? How? Binary means what? Machine is going to understand 0 and 1. Really, machines are going to understand 0. I told you in the last class, I think. What machine is going to understand? Machine is going to understand? Low power voltages signals, high power voltage signals. Got it? So, because it is an electronic device, as you mentioned clearly. So, it is an electronic device, it is going to understand only electricity. So, if it is a high power voltage, maybe it will understand it is a 1. Low power voltage, it will understand zeros. So, always your machine is going to understand this particular zeros and ones. Combination of zeros and ones. Are you clear? Are you clear? So, this 0 is called a single, is value is called as bit. So zeros and ones is a digit. Are you clear? That is why this computer, whatever the computer we are using, it is called as digital computer. Are you clear? Are you clear? Because it is going to understand only digits. Got it? Here, how it is going to understand what is the structure, what is the internal structure of digital information, everything we are going to understand in this subject. How we are going to convert, how machines are going to work with this digital information, we are going to learn one by one. Got it? So this is a digital computer. Now, as I told you, it is a digital computer. All of you write down. Digital computers uses the binary number system. Binary number system is zeros and ones. Our machines are understanding only zeros and ones. That is what. Digital computers uses the binary number system, which has two digits, 0 and 1. Which has two digits, zeros and ones. A binary digit is called a bit. As I told you just now, a binary digit. A binary digit. Digit means single. Don't think, sir, both we can call bit. No, it's a binary number. More than one digit is there, that is a binary. Okay? Only single, then you can call it is a bit. Are you clear? Your machine, your electronic device is going to understand bit by bit information. Please make it clear. Don't confuse. Now, information is represented in digital computers. Information is represented in digital computers in group of bits. In group of bits. For example, what is the binary number of 2? What is the binary number of 2? 0, 1, 0. This is a binary. This information, 2 is a information, right? 2 is information, right? Yes or no? So this is what? It is a group of bits. It is a binary number. Always your computer is going to read group of bits. Got it? Anything, any character also you can enter. It will be converted to binary formats. Because your machine is going to understand only binary information. By using various coding techniques, by using various coding techniques, group of bits can be made to represent group of bits can be made to represent not only binary numbers but also other not only binary numbers and also other symbols such as decimal numbers or alphabets. Means anything, alphabet, decimal, anything it will convert into binary format only. Generally, the common decimal numbers, the common decimal numbers contains base 10 system. Base 10 system means What are the numbers? 0, 1, 2, like that, 9. This is a base number system. This one. Yes or no? And binary number system, binary number system contains 2 digits. What is that? 0, 1. Got it? Note. The decimal equivalent of a binary number note the decimal equivalent of a binary number can be found by expanding it into a power series with a base of 2. Power series with a base of 2. For example, when binary number is like this, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, for example. Now this is a binary number. Then how to know the decimal number? Just use expanding of your number with the base of 2, with the power series. Simple logic is very simple. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 to n minus 1 is the power. Got it? Yes or no? 0 to n minus 1 power system we should use. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 to 5. So 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 0 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. So expanding with power series of 2 for the binary number. So tell me 1 into 2 power 5 how much? 32 plus 16 plus 0. 8 into 0. Next 0 plus 2 plus 0. Now tell me total. How much? 50. So 50. So this is the binary number of decimal number is 50. Binary number is 110010. This is the conversion is going to done by your digital computer. Got it? Clear? Then this is what your computer, how it is going to perform this. So there is a number system already I told you. But you should, before understanding inside of computer, first of all, you should know the block diagram of a computer. Means very important. Compulsory question. And very easy. Everyone knows this. What is a block diagram of computer? Generally, as just now we have discussed about that, what is that? Always your computer expects input. So you are going to provide input through చాలా ఇబ్బందిగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. చాలా అంటే చాలా అసలు ఎందుకు ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇట్లా చాలా అతి కష్టం మీద నీ నోట్స్లో కూడా ఏం లేదు, బ్రెయిన్లో కూడా ఏం లేదు. ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? ఏమనిపించట్లేదా? మరి ఎందుకు అంత ఇబ్బందిగా అన్కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నావు? కింద ఏమైనా పెట్టా అక్కడ కూర్చోవడానికి? ఎందుకు అంత ఇబ్బందిగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావు? అర్థం కావట్లేదా? ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎందుకు అంత ఇబ్బంది ఫీల్ అవుతున్నావు? చెప్పు. ఆల్రెడీ మీరు వెనకాల ఉన్నారు సిలబస్లో. అట్లా అన్నిటి చూస్తుంది, నీ గురించే మాట్లాడుతుంది. అన్కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నారు మీరు. ఏమైంది? ఒంట్లో మంచిగా ఉందా? ఇంట్లో మంచిగా ఉందా? అంత మంచిగా ఉందా కానీ బ్రెయిన్లో మంచిగా లేదు. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద already you people are using, just we need to understand because this question is mandatory question for all external question paper. Internal maybe కొంచెం tough ఇవ్వాలని, external maybe you can 100% block diagram of a computer. ఇది మనం చాలా మంది రాయారు. ఓకే, tell me what your computer is going to expect? Input. So how you are going to give input to your computer? Through what? Keyboard. Only keyboard? CPU is input. At least are input. Only keyboard. Only one keyboard. Scanner. Okay. Mouse. Microphone. Games are under joystick. Many things are there. So all these things you can consider as a input device. Input devices. Through input devices, you are giving your input to the machine. So what your machine is going to perform? Input and output processing. Through input devices, you are giving input only. So you are not going to expect anything from your processor, correct? Yes or no? So and your processing or processor is going to process something and it is going to produce output through స్పీకర్, మానిటర్. నేను కొంచెం మంచిగా డ్రా చేయట్లేదు, మీరు నీట్గా డ్రా చేసుకోండి. డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఇట్లనే డ్రా చేయాలనుకోవద్దు. Output devices. You know already. Correct. I'm drawing block diagram. సెట్ అయిందా? అంత బాగానే ఉన్నావా? బాగానే ఉన్నావా? ఏం పేరు నాన్న నీ పేరు? సాత్విక్. పేరు మంచిగా ఉంది. So output devices are there to extract data from the processing, from the input-output devices process. Okay. So what it is going to process, how to process? ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇప్పుడు ఏమో చెప్పింది, చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు. How it is going to process? It is process means there is something. What is that? CPU. Central Processing Unit. చెప్పండి, చెప్పమ్మా ఏం కావాలి? ఏం లేదా? నాకు సార్ అనిపించినట్టు అనిపించింది. సెంట్రల్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ యూనిట్. సో దేర్ ఈజ్ ఏ CPU. Means don't think sir laptop there is no CPU sir. Only desktop only. కూర్చుంటావా? చెప్పయా సాధ్య కూర్చుంటాను పడతావా? కూర్చో, ఇక్కడే కూర్చో, బ్రెయిన్ ఎక్కడికి పోవద్దు. సో in desktop we have CPU, then laptop no CPU, my mobile no CPU. How can I call it a computer? Yeah, CPU, don't think CPU is nothing but your motherboard and your peripherals inside of the CPU. Beginning, the name is called as central processing unit. Now, devices are converting slowly. Okay, it is minimizing the structure for the user convenience. Clear? CPUలో ఏముంటాయో ఎక్కడ మీ ల్యాప్టాప్లో అవే ఉంటాయి, మీ మొబైల్లో కూడా అవే ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ ఈస్ based on the usage, size, capacity. That is what architecture. The architecture, based on the architecture, organization will be different. So please, this way you should understand. Don't feel, sir, this is mobile, this is laptop. Procedure is there. Block diagram is common for every electronic digital computer. Even your washing machine in your home. Washing machine is a computer. No. అమ్మాయి కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో ఉంది, వాషింగ్ మిషన్ నుండి కంప్యూటర్ అంటున్నాడు అని డౌట్ ఉంది. ప్లీజ్, యు ఆర్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీర్. యూ షుడ్ feel wherever your software and electronics are operating, you should feel it is a computer. Maybe operating system is different, or maybe functionality is different, means architecture is different, but procedure is same. Your washing machine is going to work without your input. Finally, it will produce your output. In middle, processing is there. Are you clear? Every electronic device, wherever you are importing or embedding your software, that is a computer. That is what you should understand. Block diagram, and that is what block diagram. It is a common for all the cases. Are you clear? So in this way, you should think. మీ ఇంట్లో మీ పేరెంట్స్ uneducated, you are not engineers, they will call it is a washing machine అని వాళ్ళు అంటే ఓకే. మీరు కూడా వాషింగ్ మిషన్ కంప్యూటర్ అంటున్నాడు మా సార్ పిచ్చి అనుకోవద్దు. యూజ్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్. ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ యూ షుడ్ బి అబ్జర్వ్, బికాస్ యు ఆర్ ద కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీర్, యూ షుడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద మార్కెట్. whenever you go, people will tell some different features. If you want to purchase something, means they are improvising maybe the architecture and adding some extra functionalities of the software. Are you clear? Please try to understand as a technocrat and engineer. Otherwise, don't. వాడేదో చెప్తాడు, షాపుకి పోతే వాడు అమ్మడానికి సేల్ చేయడానికి వాడు ఇష్టం ఉండో చెప్తాడు. మీరు కూడా వాడు చెప్పిందే వింటుంటారు, వాడికి బాగా తెలుసు అనుకుంటారు. బికాస్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అప్లయింగ్ యువర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ knowledge. Please try to analyze, because always without our computer engineering, nowadays don't imagine any industry. Everywhere our role is required. Are you clear? Please. So even TV also. TV is a computer or not? After understanding this, you can tell everything. Almost all electronic devices are computers. So CPU. Then what happened? Input will comes to input-output processing. This is going to send to get the outcome for the input from the user. So the CPU, central processing unit, will be perform your operation. When central process unit performs some operation, what is required? For example, I will give it to you. Please do what is A plus B into C. This is my evaluation. Are you clear? Then I am giving A value is 5, B value is 2, C value is 1. For example, this is my input. Are you clear? So how to do? ఎట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు? ఏం చేస్తారు? Then I am not asking your data structure or your math, bar mass rule. I'm not asking this. Just as a human being, just you tell me how to do this. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పిన మీ బామాసులు అర్థమెటిక్ లాజిక్ అని చెప్పకండి. యాజ్ ఏ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ హౌ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ యూజింగ్ బ్రెయిన్, using brain for this logic, okay? But where this values, memory is required. Without memory, your logic you will tell A plus B. A plus B is a logic you should perform addition of A and B. But what is A value? What is B value? From where you will get? From the memory. Are you clear? Same way, your computer, there is a random access memory. Now want to perform your operation, memory it is going to utilize. Without memory, your computer is going to work or not. Your CPU, I have removed your RAM from your CPU. Your CPU is going to work or not? Yes? A certain no, yes. 0, 1 binary. Your computer is going to work or not? No. If I remove your hard disk of your computer is going to work or not? ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పాలండి, కరెక్ట్ చెప్పాలి. బ్రెయిన్ వాడండి. ఆల్ యు ఆర్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్, మనుషులు మీరంతా. అప్పుడు గుర్తు చేయాలి మీ అందరికీ. యూ హ్యావ్ బ్రెయిన్. If you remove memory card from your mobile is going to work or not? మెమరీ కార్డు చేస్తే ఎందుకు పనిచేయదండి? మెమరీ కార్డ్ is external memory, hard disk drive of your CPU. I am asking you that only. నీ పక్కన ఉన్న అమ్మాయి, నేను చాలా మందిని చూస్తుంటాను. మీరు అనుకుంటారు ఎవరిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయట్లేదని. కొందరు ఉత్తనే చూస్తున్నారు. చూద్దాం వీడు ఏం చెప్తాడు, లాస్ట్కి ఏం చేస్తాడు. సో RAM is a primary memory. Primary name itself you can understand. Primary, secondary, primary. Your operating system will work with that primary memory only. Without primary memory, your operating system is not going to work. It is required to perform operations. Without memory, మీకు మెమరీ లేదనుకోండి, మీకు బ్రెయిన్ ఉంటుంది. బ్రెయిన్ ఈజ్ దేర్, యూ లాస్ట్ యువర్ మెమరీ. Memory is different, brain is different. If you lost your memory, you cannot do anything. Yes or no? Because your brain is depending on the memory. Your CPU is depending on the memory. Memory means RAM, random access memory. Please remember this. This is architecture. Remaining parts is not there also, it will be function. Even no output devices, also your machine will work. Maybe it not produce output, but your machine will work. But you want to know output, you required output devices. Without input device also your machine will work, but you should provide input. Then only your machine will perform the operation. Got it? But without memory, are clear? So input wave process request to CPU perform this operation with the help of, got it? Once it will perform, then it will produce the CPU will be evaluated. Clear? Perform A, read A value, then plus B read value. Are you clear? This process will be continued. Once it will be finished, the data come back to input output processing. From there, output will be produced to the end user. Got it? Clear? So this is a block diagram of a computer. Any computer you can take. So this is only the structure for processing of your data. Still anything? Next, computer organization. So just you should write the definitions. After understanding block diagram of computer, block diagram of digital computer, this is a digital computer, correct? Block diagram of a digital computer. Please, all of you note down the definition of computer organization. Computer organization is concerned with the way computer organization is concerned with the way the hardware components separate notebook పెట్టుకోమన్నాను నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను is concerned with the way the hardware components operate and the way they are connected together and the way they are connected together to form the computer system, to form the computer system. The various components are assumed to be in place. The various components are assumed to be in place, and the task is to investigate, and the task is to investigate the organizational structure, to verify that the computer parts, Next, computer design. Next definition is computer design. So after understanding the block diagram, so you can easily understand the definitions of computer design is concerned with the hardware design of the computer, Once the computer specifications are formulated, means once your computer specifications means how much RAM, how much secondary storage, what is the capacity of the processor, what are the input devices, what are the all specifications are formulated. It is the task of the designer. To develop hardware for the system. Computer design is concerned with the Computer design is concerned with the determination of what hardware should be used. Computer design is concerned with the determination of what hardware should be used and how the parts should be connected. And how the parts should be connected. Computer design is concerned with the determination of what hardware should be used and how the parts should be connected. Then one more definition, computer architecture. Computer architecture is concerned with the structure. Computer architecture is concerned with the structure and behavior of the computer. Computer architecture is concerned with the structure and behavior of the computer as seen by the user. As seen by the user. It includes these definitions are very important. It includes the information formats, comma, the instruction set, and techniques for addressing memory. Instruction sets from CPU processing and techniques for addressing memory. Addressing. We will learn how addresses are going to connect next to further units. Addressing memory. Clear? We have only 5 minutes time.